Hi, welcome to the OpenCV video tutorial. Today I will demonstrate the erosion operation on an image using OpenCV with Python. Erosion is a fundamental morphological operation that is commonly used in image processing to reduce the size of foreground objects or to eliminate small noise regions. It works by eroding the boundaries of the foreground regions. Let's move towards coding. First, import the OpenCV library. Now load the image you want the erosion operation on. I have one in the same working folder saved with the name opencv.jpg. Remember, the foreground object in the image must be of white color. Next, we create a rectangular structuring element using the getStructuring element. It is a method provided by the OpenCV library that is used to create a structuring element for morphological operations such as erosion, dilation, opening, and closing. A structuring element is a small binary matrix or kernel that defines the neighborhood around each pixel during morphological operations. It determines the shape and size of the operation's effect on the image. The getStructuring element method takes two parameters. The first parameter is the shape of the structuring element, where OpenCV predefined shapes like rectangular shape or ellipse shape. The second parameter is the kernel size. In this example, we use a rectangle of size 8 by 8 pixels. Now apply the erosion operation to the input image using erode method. In erode method, the first parameter is the input image we have already loaded, and the second parameter is the kernel we specified above. Finally, we display the original and eroded images using imShow method provided by OpenCV. The wait key function waits for a key press to close the image windows and destroy all windows to ensure all windows are closed properly. Now let's run the final block of code. You can see here the original image and the image after the erosion operation. The text has been eroded based on the kernel size. Now let's try to change the shape to ellipse and see the result. As you can see, the image is now eroded with a smooth boundary. You can also apply a manual kernel instead of using predefined shapes, and for that, we will generate a matrix containing ones and will also specify their size. As we have used NumPy library, so we have to import it first. Finally, run the whole code, as see the result. Thank you for watching.